Hello, welcome to another vlog from the beautiful city of China. I'm in the northwest and I traveled about like 1,000 kilometers from my place just to explore this beautiful waterfall. And as you can see here, this waterfall is actually covered with the mountains, pretty much kind of a rocks actually, and lots of people every day, especially during the summer, they travel here, as you can see, just to visit this beautiful waterfall. To get here actually from the starting point, from the track, it's about like 2 hours 45 minutes, and it's pretty much terrible kind of a hike, but look at these girls, woman, man, boys, elderly people, kids. Everybody got here just to explore this beautiful waterfall. Okay, now since this waterfall is in the northwest of China, so you can imagine water here, the temperature of the water here is, at the moment, it's, oh my god, I barely like keep my fingers in for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I don't think so. My fingers can take more than 2 minutes. The water is extremely cold. It's summer though, but temperature here is about 14 degrees, 14 between 15. Oh, it's so beautiful place. Beauty is endless. It's ultimate. And you can see my surroundings as well. So my dear friends, please go ahead, hit the like button, press the bell icon, follow me and subscribe my YouTube channel. I promise you guys I'll keep posting more videos for you in the future. So you can explore beauty of China. It's ultimate, endless. So stay in touch. I'll catch you guys in the next series. Have a good one. Bye bye.